Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can increase OVR in NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live Mobile on my phone and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're gonna find Live Pass, Live Today, Season, Limited Time Events, Showdown, and lastly campaigns. And here in the bottom, you're gonna find my teams, auctions, achievements, objectives, and lastly sets. So the first thing that we're gonna do is click on my team, and then right here you're gonna find your team. In the bottom left corner, you're gonna find your jerseys. As you can see, guys, these are my jerseys. I have the Lakers jerseys. And right here, if you click on any players, for example, Davis, I'm going to click on Davis. Right here in the bottom, you're going to find some players that you can change them with Davis by holding them and then dragging them to this place. Right here next to that player, you're going to find all of the informations related to this player. For example, athleticism, inside scoring, rebounding, outside scoring, pass offense, and so on. And if we go back right here, in the top, you're going to find view all items. If you click on it, right here, you're going to find players, boost items, collectibles, courts, jerseys, and lastly, unclaimed items. So if you click on boost items, right here, you're going to find all of your boost items. As you can see, guys, I don't have any item in this list. But if you have any, you can just click on it and then click on use and you can boost your players. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.